All right, so we have here a Samsung Galaxy Book 4. We're doing a Windows 11 upgrade. In time being, I want to check the inside and upgrade the RAM. So let's have a look on the inside. One. This has DDR4, I believe. 4 screws. Okay. Oh, bummer. This has no upgradable RAM. The RAM is here. Yeah. What does it have? SSD from Samsung. Oh no! They use the Toshiba SSD. Can you believe it? Kioxia. Kioxia. Don't believe it. Samsung hasn't used Samsung SSD on their device. Well, anyway, there you go. That's a waste of a video, but at least you know. It's quite a shame, really. This could take also the Pro version. Pro version has DDR5. That's for the GPU, and this doesn't have a dedicated GPU either. Okay. Oh, bummer. Okay. Anyway, that was a waste. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.